y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat if you didn't already know, and if you didn't already know, that means you are new here. And I just want to say welcome, friend. Welcome on into the Get Ready With Me party, okay? So I apologize, I don't have a formal intro for this video. I plan to actually record it after I was already dressed, but then after I got dressed I forgot to record it because I'm used to doing my intros in the beginning. But anyway, that's why I'm coming to you voiceover style, because your girl, like, you'll see later, but I just want to, you know, say welcome to the video. Like, I couldn't not introduce y'all. So today's video, we're going to be getting completely ready, like from hair installation, makeup, outfit, like your girl did all of it, the fragrance, everything, okay? So just watch the video, you know, kick back and relax, and I might pop in later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, enjoy the video, watch through to the end. Your girl was supposed to be going to brunch today, but the plans changed. You'll see at the end of the video. All right, so I'm gonna just shut up now. Just watch, okay?
Just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why.
So we're going to breeze through this wig application, but I do have a very detailed, in-depth, full video on how I apply this unit exactly. So if you want to see that video, I'm gonna leave that linked at the end of the video, as well as the description box. So be sure to check that out if you're interested in like full details on how I apply my wigs. I'm a beginner, but I mean, I get the job done, okay? All right. So now we're gonna move on to getting this face together, okay? So I mixed two foundations today. I mixed NARS matte foundation as well as MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I mixed the two because the NARS one is super matte and the MAC one is kind of like more of a natural matte slash satin finish. Depends on, you know, how you manipulate it. So I just wanted to mix the two to get the perfect texture I was looking for. And I'm just gonna proceed with the rest of my face. Y'all have seen me do my makeup a million times over again. So I didn't wanna, you know, bore you with like slowing it down and going through all the steps. But if you would like an in-depth, you know, updated makeup tutorial, just let me know. I just feel like these days people aren't really asked to see like a full makeup tutorial, because like, we've been locked down in the panorama and now we're finally outside, so we just want to be free and like just be outside with it, okay? So we're going outside today for like the first time in a long time. As you all know, like I'm a mom, I'm a single mom, so like I don't get a whole lot of time to really go out town, but I was baby free this particular day, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take myself out to brunch, which, you know, spoiler alert, I did chicken out and I didn't go to brunch, but I did meet up with some friends and I had a good time. So just watch, you know, I'll include some clips at the end of the video. But your girl stepped out for like the second time since I've had my son, and like my son will be 2 next week, so that tells you a lot. Like, I be in the house, boo, but whatever, girl.
I'll tell you once, I'ma tell you twice. I'm real discreet, like a thief in the night.
Trap money, she got me in the feeling. Gotta be with, yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave beside me, 'cause I want you and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, 'cause I want you and I need you.
my face is looking good. Oh, let me pause this. My face is looking good. I'm sorry I haven't been talking this whole video. Like, I'm gonna do a voiceover. I haven't done any voiceovers in a long time, but today I was feeling voiceover-esque because your girl's mood wasn't right in the beginning of this video because I was having hella technical difficulties. I'm not filming on the camera I want to be filming on. Yeah, I was just going through it for a little bit. It's been a heavy morning, but I'm feeling a little bit better now. My face looks good as fuck, so I'm feeling a little bit better. But we're gonna get this wig together, get dressed. I'm going to take myself to brunch. I think, like, I'm pretty nervous. I haven't done a solo date in probably years, so I'm pretty nervous. So I think I'm gonna take myself to brunch, but if I chicken out, we're gonna let's get some content done, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna try to do a reel out of all of this. I'm shooting hella content out of this one look because I'm gonna do my brassy bra video because I'm gonna wear a brassy bra today. So my first impression / application of that. This is a get ready with me. Like I said, do a reel of like my brunch day today. Also going to make a brassy bra reel. Yeah, so okay, let me plug this bad boy up because I really need to flat iron my frontal because I'm gonna try a side part today. I don't usually do side parts, but I'm feeling like doing something different and I don't think this is gonna stretch. So I'm gonna have to do this part in the bathroom. I'll be right back. I got my hair like kind of situated. I used my hot comb to straighten out my part because y'all know, like, if you're an OG here, then you know your girl likes a middle part. But today I was like, you know what, we're gonna switch this shit up and I'm gonna do a side part. I didn't flat iron through the middle because I want to kind of leave some volume through the center. Like, I'm gonna kind of do like a zhuzh, so I want to leave some volume through the center. And now I'm just going to take my flat iron, which this is the Baby Bliss. It ain't no, like, it ain't no third B in there, so it's not Baby Bliss, but looking at it you just want to say Baby Bliss, but it's Babyliss flat iron. I have the Nano Titanium Pro and I'm just going to do a little zhuzh and, you know, get this going real good. So y'all pray for me today because I'm really nervous. Like, I've never gone to brunch by myself. Like, I haven't gone anywhere by myself in Atlanta yet, so I'm pretty nervous, but I'm hungry. I wanted to get dressed because I had to shoot some content, so like I might as well go eat, you know. Let's get this hair going.
I put the new Sundays on the G. I came into the bloody boxes underneath because I'm
Come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As the sad story goes, baby, now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried.
Alright, so the hair is zhuzh. The hair is giving grown ass woman, boss ass bitch, okay? That's what it's giving. So feeling good about that. Now I need to get my lashes on and get dressed. So I'm going to go ahead and split to film my brassy bra video when I'm in the process of getting dressed. But by the time, I mean, it don't even matter. Y'all won't even see none of that in this video. But make sure you stay tuned to my channel so you can see my brassy bra video. Also, if you did not comment under my last video, under my last full get ready with me, on what you guys want to see in the girls chit chat video, or like the girl talk, the chat, whatever you want to call it, the wind down Wednesday, whatever you want to call it, comment down below under this video. Let me know, leave a question or topic down below on, you know, what you want me to talk about in that video, because I'm gonna do it. Like, I'm gonna do it. if I don't have any questions from you all, I'm gonna Google some questions because I'm really pressed to do it, and hopefully you know it does well and you guys like it. But anyway, so let me get my lashes on, and when I come back to y'all, I'll be dressed and ready to go. Okay. All right, queen, so this is the completed look. Your girl looks good, okay? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it a lot. All right, look. When I can't even say nothing about myself, then y'all know I did the damn thing, okay? I'm speechless about myself, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all my outfit in a minute, but get into this beat, get into this unit. The install is giving what it's supposed to give. The side part is doing it for me. I'm so glad I decided to do a side part today, something different. So let's get it. I even have my brassy bra on today, so your girl is lifted without a bra, okay, without a real bra. So I'm excited about that. So stay on the lookout for that video. Not sure which one is gonna go up first. Maybe the brassy bra because it's gonna be super quick to edit, but actually this one's gonna be super quick to edit because I didn't talk. So let me go ahead and show y'all what fragrance I'm wearing today. So your girl is high end today, okay? Today I'm wearing Gucci Guilty, which is my very first like high-end expensive perfume purchase, and I'm so glad that I bought it. I don't know if y'all heard me mention in my last video that Megan McKinley here on YouTube and Instagram, she mentioned this fragrance in her Black Girl Fragrance Tag TikTok reel, whatever you want to call it, and this one I was just like, let's try it, why not? I was in Ulta one day, saw it, went ahead and sprayed it, wore it for the day before I purchased it, and I was in love. So I went ahead and went back to the store and purchased it. I wish I could have gotten the big bottle. The big bottle is only sold online, and I was really pressed to get it that day in stores, so I had to get the smaller one. But I'm gonna re-up and get the larger one day once this one is gone. But I love this fragrance. I smell so pretty, I feel so good. This smells so good to me. Like when you first spray it on, it smells kind of weird to me, but it settles my chemistry or whatever you want to call it. It settles with me so nicely. I feel like I smell so good. I feel like I smell like okay, yeah, you got that yummy. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to cut to, let me just go ahead and show you my outfit. Let me not get makeup on my shirt. Ooh. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your homegirl, with whoever. Put it in the group chat, whatever, boo. Okay, as always, thank you so much for watching. Beats and love.
I would like to get to know if you could.